Good morning, children. So in our Monday's class, we have completed this, isn't it, children? Many of you didn't understand this. So what I will do today, once again I will read this for you so that you can understand it very neatly. So from Unit 2, Flora and Fauna. Now you have parted word meanings. Very good, children. Now see, arrange the following parts. Plants under the correct heading. Here they have given all mix up. Trees, shrubs, herbs, creepers, climbers. Now as I have explained you, trees they have a woody stem, trunk. Then shrubs they are very small plants like hibiscus, that is shoe flower, jasmine, rose, they are shrubs. And herbs they are medicinal plants. And climbers they need support of a bamboo pole and or a wooden frame so that the plant can climb. So for climbers, the plant which climb we are called climbers. Already we did reading also from page number 167. And creepers they creep. Where they creep? They creep on the ground. So now here you have to classify it. How you have classified natural things, man-made things, living things, non-living things. So here 5 columns is there. See here. If I tell you to write names of 5 trees, it is very easy. See, a banyan tree, gulmohar tree, chiku tree, guava tree, neem tree, balsam tree, tamarind tree, mango tree. These are the names of trees. So children, now you understand trees. So here from the given words, I have sorted it out and I have written here. These are the trees. If the question is asked what are trees, you can write name any 5 trees. And what is the definition of a tree? Trees, they are tall plant with a woody, strong stem. And they have, their branches are deep into the ground. Same way, shrubs. Shrubs are small plants. For example, rose, jasmine, shoe flower. We call it hibiscus also. The third one is herbs. Herbs are herbal plants. For example, coriander, mint, tulsi, wheat, grass. So these are some of mint and tulsi. They are used to make medicines also. Then climbers which need supports. For example, pea, then grapevine and money plant. They need support to climb. And for creepers, the creepers they creep on the ground. No doubt their leaves are small, their stem is very thin, but the fruit they bear that is heavy. And because of heavy fruit or vegetable, they can't climb. So they are creeper, they creep on the ground. So they are pumpkin, watermelon, cucumber. So children, now have you understood? And those who have not understood, you have to see like this way, you have to now read it. And those who have not used the scale for this, use the scale, make the column like this way. Once again, rewrite it. Okay, now you understood? So children, now I will drop the board. Then we will continue the next part, that is from page number 167. It is all about parts of a plant. Okay, what we will read now from page 67, parts of a plant. So open your textbook now. Now see children, I have rubbed it. Now move to the next part, that is parts of a plant. Among the parts of a plant, today we will learn about the roots. The roots. Now among roots, there are 2 types of roots. Which are they? The first one is tap root. Tap root. And second one is fibrous root. F-I-B-R-O-U-S. Fibrous root. So now children, first we will read the part about only the roots. Then tomorrow in my class, I will show you, I will draw taproot and fibrous root for you. Before that, what we will do, we will complete reading of page number 168. So note down your homework. Your homework is read page 167 and 168 2 times. Okay. So this is your homework. Now children, open your textbook, page number 167 we will read it and tomorrow we will learn more about the roots. Okay. See children, open page number 167. What is this? Write here classwork, and today's date is 7th of September 2021. See, what is this? Parts of a plant. Now see, what is this? This is a plant. Already you have learnt about in your first standard and second standard also. See, this is a plant. In a plant, there are parts. These are roots. This is a fruit. Stem, this we call it stem. Okay. Then these are leaves. Here they have shown one, so we call it leaf. But all these we tell as leaves. It is a flower. So this is a part of a plant. Now see, among this today we are going to learn about the root. So in my tomorrow's class, what I will do, I will remove roots and we will learn among the roots there are two types of roots. So let us start reading. Okay, keep finger all of you. The root. This part of a plant grows under the ground. See, this is under the ground. It absorbs water and minerals from the soil. This is soil. Brown color is soil. So it absorbs water and mineral from the soil. It fixes the plant to the soil. So the root fixes, it grows deep into the ground and it fixes the plant. So the roots, it fixes the plant to the soil. Now open page number 168. See, activity. Try to uproot a bunch of grass. So children, nowadays rainy season, you will see a bunch of grass also. You will realize how difficult it is. So you cannot pull a bunch of grass. Just do this activity. This is the activity and you will find difficult to pull the bunch of a grass. Why? Because here is the reason. Roots are of two types, taproot and fibrous root. Taproot. Some plants have one main root with thinner root growing from it. So this is one root and small roots are there. If you just remove one plant of a periwinkle, just see they are having one root. So that plant we call it taproot. These roots grow deep into the soil. They are deep into the soil. Most trees have taproot because one stem, so leaves, branches are not that much deep into the ground. Now fibrous root. This bunch of grass is a fibrous root. They are in a bunch. So we call it fibrous root. See here. Fibrous root. Some plants don't have a main root. See, they don't have main root. Here this is one main root. But they are in a bunch. They have a bunch of small roots. So this is called as bunch of small roots. So for a grass we see that wheat. Here plants like grasses, wheat, etc. have fibrous roots. Coconut trees have fibrous roots too. Even you see coconut trees, if you see in the picture, you will see roots like this way. So we call that fibrous root. Okay. Now see here. Activity. Take a small rose plant and a grass plant. Wash the soil from the roots and observe. Compare the roots. So the rose plant is having a tap root and the grass plant is having a fibrous root. Now think. Carrot, radish and beetroot are tap roots. Why are they thick and swollen? So in our here they have given radish, carrot, turnip, beetroot. They have tap root. Why? And why they are thick and swollen? So here one question is this, and why is root important to the plant? Because it absorbs water and mineral from the soil and it fixes the soil. It stands erect. That is, the roots are fixed into the soil. So these are the two reasons that why the root important to the plant. So here the roots of a plant hold the soil together. This stops the soil from being washed away during heavy rains. So these roots, these types of roots, so children, these types of roots, they help the plant to stand firm. When there is a rain, it should not wash away when there is a heavy rains. So nowadays rainy season is there, and see, if heavy rain is also there, the plant will stand erect. Now discussion. Why do landslides occur? Discuss amongst your classmates. So you have to complete page number 168. Your homework is homework. Read page 167 and 168. So you have to read both the page. And now next children, what I will do in my next class, I will draw the picture of a root and a fibrous root, and I will explain more about it. So if you want, you can do this activity, that is you have to uproot a branch of grass, and you will realize that you can't pick it up or pull it out very easily. It is difficult. But once you take a plant of a periwinkle or a rose plant, now see periwinkle, now rainy season you see anywhere. So just pick up that small plant and you will see one single root, that is taproot. And the grass and wheat, they are having fibrous root. So understood now? In my next class I will draw this and we will complete this question answers plus word meaning in our next classes. So children, what is your homework? Do reading and understand it well. And what I have given today on the board, do your work. Okay children, bye.